What's up? It's John here from Last Not Least. We got our very first album, Supercollider, coming out in March. I'm excited to share that with you, and excited today to invite you into my little home studio to take a listen to some of what's on the album and take a deep dive into one of the tracks. So today we'll be listening to a song called "Birds on a Rose," and this is one. That kind of has a very chill vibe to it. Reminds me a little bit of like a Red Hot Chili Peppers, that type of sound. But let's just jump right into the verse, and we'll take a listen to the drum track first. And let's bring in the bass. And then the guitars. I love a tremolo guitar, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. It's one of the only effects on Ryan's pedal board, and I love him for that. Let's put the whole thing together here the next time it loops around. I was a little worried on this one that I was doing a little too much on the guitar part, and I kind of went back and forth, and a couple times was dead set on rewriting it, and ended up sticking with it. I think it, again, kind of going for that Frusciante kind of feel, and I do like the way it ultimately fits together, but yeah, definitely worried about this one. Let me play the whole thing together, and we'll include the vocals.
Conversation, laughter, no brash, kindling memories from the past, forging green ones that will last. Take a moment to soak it all in. Clear skies, not a cloud inside. Get ready, make way, follow the signs.
So this is another one that has, we're listening to the chorus now. This is another one that has a little string part included. And we'll just bring in the guitar solo here. And then here it is with the vocal.
Everyone head over to the block. Check your egos at the door and rock out. Knock out, freak out amongst the lot. How many times do I have to talk about the good times hanging on the block? Everyone head over to the block.
And there we are all together. This is the chorus.
Knock out, freak out amongst the lot. How many times do I have to talk about the good times hanging on the block?
So that's a bit of Birds on a Rose. That is one of the songs off our upcoming albums out in March. Please give it a listen and give us a follow on the socials at Last Not Least Band, or at Last Not Least Band rather. We got a release show coming up, so hope to see you there. And thanks for watching.